Okay, now we're moving on to the door closer installation. So you're going to grab the closer kit and install instructions. In there you're going to find a whole bunch of little parts. So there's one closer that has a button on it. That one goes on the bottom. The one without the button goes on the top. This is going to be a jam bracket. This jam bracket will connect to the back side of the closer where the yellow spacers are. And then you have these door brackets that are going to connect to the front part of the closer, kind of like that. It's going to connect like that. You also have 4 screws. Those 4 screws connect to this jam bracket, which mounts to the entry door jamb. And then you have a short stubby guy and a long skinny guy. The short stubby cotter pin will connect right here with the jam bracket, and the long skinny one will connect here with the door bracket. I'm going to connect those now.